What's up, family? ¿Cómo están? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, my name is Jessica, and this is my Instant Pot Basics series. This series will be focused on teaching you how to make basic, essential things to help inspire and create more in your Instant Pot pressure cooker. And today, I'm showing you how to make quinoa in your Instant Pot. Quinoa is such a staple in my meal prep, and it's just like rice, except it has a lot more nutrients, and it cooks perfectly each time in the Instant Pot. I've never had an issue. I want to show you how easy it is to get this fluffy, perfect quinoa in just minutes in your Instant Pot. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. I'm using my very own chicken broth that I actually made in the Instant Pot. Comment below if you want that recipe. I think it brings so much flavor to the otherwise simple quinoa, but you can totally use water if you don't have any kind of broth or vegetable stock on hand. First, we're going to start by washing our quinoa with water. I do this until the water runs clear. Now add 1.5 cups of chicken broth into your Instant Pot, followed by your washed quinoa. I haven't needed to add any oil before putting in all the ingredients, but if you prefer it, use an oil spray to get a nice coverage of the entire pot. Now just add a pinch of salt or to taste and close your lid. Make sure to turn the valve to sealing. This will enclose the pressure for cooking. So we're going to pressure cook on high pressure for 1 minute. I know 1 minute sounds ridiculous, but it's not actually that fast. When it's done, we let the pressure release naturally, which takes about 15 to 18 minutes. I forgot about it, that's why it says 19 minutes here. When the red button on the lid goes flat, you know it's safe to open. And we're done. Just use a fork to fluff up your quinoa. It's cooked to perfection. It hasn't even gotten stuck to the bottom. I am so surprised by this recipe because I can't even tell you how many times quinoa has gotten stuck to the bottom or burned a little bit on my stovetop, and it has never happened in the Instant Pot. If you want to double this recipe, no need to add more time, just use the same pressure cook time. Also, you can use the same base recipe to create all your favorite quinoa meals, like Mexican quinoa. You can just add salsa and maybe some bell peppers. This is definitely a favorite for meal prep in my family just because it stays fresh in your fridge for up to 3 to 5 days. So I hope this simple recipe can inspire you to make really cool things in your Instant Pot. I've loved using this basic recipe to make different styles of quinoa, like a Mexican style, almost like a Mexican rice, or like a herb and lemon. Sounds good, right? But I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below what this recipe will inspire you to make or what you have made with this recipe. I would love to know. And also let me know if you want a video on all the different ways that I make quinoa. And subscribe if you want to, of course. I would love to have you part of this growing family I have here on YouTube. And leave me a little like there, you know. Thank you all so much for watching this video. And until the next video, ciao. All right, it's time to eat. I am starving.